let's get ready together and do some makeup. So I'm gonna start with a lip stain. This one is from HUDA BEAUTY. For today, I really want to try out the Scandi Girl makeup look because they look so gorgeous. And I thought I really want to try that out as a brunette and see how that looks. So I'm just gonna do some quick skin prep. I've already done my skincare in the morning, but that's like 2 hours ago. So this is just a little refresh skin touch up before I do my makeup. Next, I'm going in with the Dewy Skin Mist from TATCHA. And this is exactly how you want your skincare to look like before going in with makeup. I'm just gonna let that sit for a moment and do my brows real quick. This is the Rare Beauty Brow Gel. And I feel like it's always glowy and bronzy whenever I see the makeup that they do. So I'm just gonna do under my eyes first, drag it up like that. And this really gives you a glow from within, like even without concealer, my under eyes already look so much better. I'm gonna be using the KYLIE Cosmetics Skin Tint. This one is in the shade 4.5 WN. So I really want this base to be lightweight, and especially that you can see my freckles through. So I usually call this like a see-through makeup base, which is my favorite. Okay, so next I'm gonna bring back some color with the WESTMAN Atelier contour stick. And this blends so well. I feel like I need a little bit more, so I just take it on a brush. Because from everything that I have seen from Scandi Girl makeup is that you shouldn't be shy with bronzer. So I'm definitely going heavy-handed, and I kind of like it because it's matching my self-tanned body as well. Now for blush, I'm gonna use a pink blush. This one is from SAIE in the shade Baby. This is so cute. It's a mini one actually. I got it in a pack with 2 other shades, and I actually never use it because I feel like it's kind of too light. But I mean, for today we can try it out. Scandi Girl makeup is all about pink blush and a pink lip as well. Gonna blend this out. I really enjoy doing those get ready with me videos because I feel like I can try out some makeup looks, but whenever I feel like I kind of cracked the perfect makeup routine for a specific look, then I will do like a makeup tutorial. I take it so seriously, just as if someone asks me to do their makeup for a specific look and I really want them to be happy with it. That's how serious I take my makeup tutorials. So just know that I have tried many products and many combinations to come up with a makeup tutorial. The one thing that makes me happier than putting on makeup is that you try out the makeup look that I'm doing and ending up loving it. And that just makes me so happy. So I just always want to make sure that I'm giving you the best of the best when it comes to makeup tutorials. Okay, so for concealer, I used the NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard. And then to make sure I can easily blend this out, I sprayed on some Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. And this makes blending so much easier. And also it melts all the makeup together. Okay, I feel like this is going so well already. I'm gonna go in with some powder blush. This is from YSL. This one is in the shade Baby Doll. They all have cute names when it comes to pink blushes, which is so adorable. Okay, I'm gonna go light-handed because I know this is gonna be very pigmented. Just gonna take a clean brush and go over it to sheer it out. Now for the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass Ambient palette. I'm just gonna mix those two colors over here. They are very bronzy, so this should be fine as bronzer. Kind of put it all over because this powder is very forgiving. It's not too dark. Like, I don't take this as a real bronzer. I usually use this to just set my makeup, but in a way that it's still glowy. This is the Huda Beauty Cherry Peach Easy Bake, and I'm just taking the pinky side to set my under eyes with. Okay, I'm gonna move on to my eyes. I'm gonna go in with the Icy Nude palette from Huda Beauty because I feel like they mostly have cool toned makeup, and also their eyeshadow is cool toned, so this eyeshadow palette is perfect for that. I haven't used this eyeshadow palette since Christmas actually, especially the sparkly colors. Really excited to use it again. Okay, so I'm just gonna do very simple kind of doll eyes makeup look. I'm gonna take this Aurora shade over here and just put it all over like that. So pretty. For this look, I really need to do a little wing liner. I've seen all of those girls doing winged liner, but just in a very natural way. And of course, they always use a brown color. Oh my god, you guys, my mirror is so dirty in this palette, so I'm gonna try this mirror. Yeah, this is much better. Okay, so nothing too crazy, just a little tiny wing. Okay, I don't know why, but I feel like I messed up this, but yeah, I really feel like I messed up this. Okay, I think I fixed it. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my waterline because they all have really bright waterlines. The Makeup Forever Artist Pencil. This one is in the shade Boundless Bisque. I'm just gonna go over my waterline like that. Okay, so this is looking exactly how I imagined it. It's definitely a must-have if you want to do a scandi girl doll eyes kind of look. Now it's finally time to curl my lashes. I'm using the Shiseido eyelash curler. I'm gonna be using the One Coat Wow Huda Beauty mascara. This is my most intense mascara in my collection. I'm really hoping it's gonna give me long lashes like the ones I see those girls having. But they're probably using like eyelash serums and stuff. But I'm also curious to know if you are using eyelash serums and which one you're using, because I really would love to try something that is working. But the only thing is that I don't want this kind of dark under eyes or anything. I've seen some girls complain about that. I'd rather have small lashes or like short lashes but not have dark under eyes. Okay, so that is the bottom lashes done as well. I'm just gonna do one more coat for my lashes. It's so funny, I always thought that my eyeliner always takes so long to do, but since I've been editing those videos, I'm like, okay, my mascara is taking so long, definitely longer than that I do my eyeliner, especially when I want them to be like long, but I guess this is the longest I can get them. We're gonna finally do a lip combo. I've already lined my lips with the Huda Beauty lip contour, so now I will be using the RHODE lip shape peptide liner. I love this so much because I can just overline without looking crazy. Okay, so I think this looks good. I'm gonna pair it with the YSL Lip Shine. This one is in the shade number 44. It's like a pinky nude color. I really love it. And once you put it on, it really feels like lip gloss, so I never feel like I need to top it up with anything else. But however, for the sake of this video, I will go in with the LAWLESS lip gloss, and it's in the shade Daisy Pink. It looks so pretty. And this is also like a lip plumper, so it will make my lips appear bigger as well, which I love. Okay, so this is the final look. I am obsessed. I love how cohesive everything looks. It is bronzy, but also it adds the pinky colors, makes it look so girly and summery. So let me know if you try it out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.